Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and link Nintendo account to Xbox Fortnite. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that matter, the very first step would be simply for you to access your phone or your computer's browser and simply type in store.epicgames.com and you will land on their official website. Right after you land, you simply gotta go ahead, first of all, get signed in. After you are done signing in as well, all you have to do is tap on it and simply tap on this account option given below. So right after the loading is done and your account settings is over here, all you have to do is go through the options on the left side of your screen. All you have to do is scroll down and choose this option of apps and accounts. Go ahead, tap on it. So right over here you will be able to see all of the accounts you are allowed to connect with Epic Games. So if you would like simply switch to connect Nintendo to your Fortnite account, you have to obviously have an Epic Games account for that. And once you have done here, you're gonna come over here and tap on this Nintendo account option just given right over here. You tap on connect, and now it's gonna show this kind of interface. All you have to do is simply tap on this connect account option. You will be able to connect your account with Nintendo just right over here. Once you have done so, whenever you access your Fortnite game, all you have to do is simply play with your Epic Games account and switch it. That is the way for you to do so. Simply play with the Epic Games account, which will be connected with Nintendo itself automatically, and that is it. So that is the one way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.